The value of expertise in a world brimming with DIY tutorials and a do-it-yourself culture. The age-old adage, "Give the bread to the baker, even if he eats half of it," resonates with timeless wisdom. This proverb underlines a fundamental truth: the importance of entrusting tasks to those who are skilled in their respective fields, even if it means incurring higher costs. The cost of amateur work attempting to tackle a job without the necessary expertise can often lead to subpar outcomes, additional expenses, or even catastrophic failures. For instance, a homeowner might attempt a complex plumbing job to save costs, only to create a bigger issue that requires professional intervention. This scenario illustrates the hidden costs of amateur work, which can often exceed the expense of hiring a professional from the outset. The baker's half. A fair exchange. The metaphorical half that the baker takes signifies not just a monetary cost but also represents the value of expertise, experience, and the assurance of quality. When we pay professionals, we aren't just paying for the physical labor or the end product. We're also paying for their years of training, their specialized tools, and their ability to foresee and solve complex problems. In the professional sphere, in the professional world, particularly in fields like medicine, law, or engineering, the stakes of amateur intervention can be extraordinarily high. As a physician, for instance, I understand the critical importance of specialized knowledge. In healthcare, entrusting a complex medical procedure to a generalist rather than a specialist can have dire consequences. Economic implications. While it might seem cost-effective to cut corners by not hiring professionals, the long-term economic implications can be profound. Businesses that skimp on expert input might face operational failures, legal challenges, or reputational damage, all of which can be far costlier than the initial savings. Conclusion. The essence of the proverb, "Give the bread to the baker, even if he eats half of it," is not about literal bread or bakers. It's a call to acknowledge the value of professional expertise and the wisdom of investing in it. Whether in our personal lives or professional domains, this principle guides us to make decisions that prioritize quality, safety, and proficiency over short-term savings. In the end, the extra cost paid to a professional is not just an expense. It's an investment in quality, peace of mind, and ultimately, success.